These happen to be my favorite muffins, and if you make these at home, I know they'll be yours too. Fluffy with a bit of orange tang and a crispy sweet top. Here's how to make them. You will need 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup vegan milk, 2/3 of a cup of applesauce. I like to use the individually packed applesauce because they have a longer shelf life, so they're always available for my baking needs. If you use them, you will still need to measure them out and eat whatever is left over. 1/3 cup of vegan butter, 1 cup plus a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of almond extract, the zest of 1 whole orange, last but definitely not least, 1.5 cups of craisins. To begin, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and pour in the 3 cups of flour into a large bowl, followed by the 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon baking powder and salt. Mix well. Stir in the craisins. In a medium-sized bowl, add the milk, applesauce, butter, 1 cup of sugar, the apple cider vinegar, vanilla, and almond extract. Seem to have lost the footage here, sorry about that. Now give that a good stir. Okay, so the way I make orange zest is a little different. I find that whenever I use a grater, it comes out mushy. So what I do instead is peel the skin off the orange, break it into pieces, and toss into a high-speed blender. Scrape it all into a bowl and separate it in half. Now add 1/2 into the wet mixture and stir well. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture. Stir it together, but be careful not to overstir. Scoop out the batter into a sprayed muffin pan. I like to fill them all the way up for a nice muffin top. In a small bowl, mix the rest of the orange zest with the 1/4 cup of sugar and sprinkle on top of the muffins. Bake for 25 minutes. And that's it!